Good morning, class 11 science. Today we are going to discuss on the topic like bond length, bond dissociation energy, bond angle, and bond order. Okay, this will be our today's topic. So first we'll discuss about bond length. What is bond length? Okay, so from the definition it tells us bond length is defined as the equilibrium distance between the center of the nuclei of the two bonded atoms in a molecule. So if you take two atoms which are bonded to each other, and if you take the distance from the center of both the atoms, that is from here to here, now that distance is called as a bond length. We have got the unit for bond length is expressed in Armstrong. Okay, Armstrong, it is A, and on the top of that we write a small dot. Okay, small dot, Armstrong, and 1 Armstrong is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. And another unit of bond length is picometer, which is written as pm, and 1 picometer is equals to 10 to the power minus 12 meter. So we came to know about the bond length. Bond length is actually a distance between the centers of the nuclei of the two bonded atoms in a molecule. Now bond length, say for example we are considering bond length molecules, then we have got carbon hydrogen bond length in picometer and carbon carbon bond length in picometer. Now we have got three columns like this. Okay, now when you consider this one, ethane, okay, C2H6 ethane, over here we have got carbon carbon bond also, and we have got carbon hydrogen bond also. Now the carbon hydrogen bond length in this case of ethane will be 109.3 picometer. Okay, whereas carbon carbon single bond length will be 154 picometer. Similarly, in case of ethene having a double bond, the CH bond, that is carbon hydrogen bond length, will be 108.7, and whereas carbon carbon double bond is 134. Okay, next when we have got acetylene, sorry, just make it a correction, carbon, over here there is a triple bond. Okay, so carbon carbon triple bond is there. So over here the bond between C and H will be 105.7 picometer, whereas the carbon carbon triple bond will be 120. So if you can see that from single to triple bond, the bond length between the carbon carbon has decreases from 154, 134 and 120. Okay, fine. Next we have got bond dissociation energy. Okay, now let's see what is it. The amount of energy required to break 1 mole of bond so as to get isolated gaseous atoms is called bond dissociation energy. So whatever amount of energy that is required to break 1 mole of bond to convert into isolated gaseous atom, we call it a bond dissociation energy. And bond energy is defined as the average value of bond dissociation energy of the same type of bond present in the molecule, whereas bond energy is defined as the average value of bond dissociation energies of the same type of bond which is present in a molecule. Now, next topic is bond angle. What is bond angle? So bond angle means the average angle between the two covalent bonds made by the same central atom is known as bond angle. So the angle made by the two bonds with the same atom is known as bond angle. So this is an example of water molecule. We have got two hydrogen atoms and oxygen in the middle, and the bond angle between them is 104.5 degree. Okay, next, bond order. The bond order is given by the number of bonds between the two atoms in a molecule. So simple, bond order means the number of bonds present in between two atoms in a molecule. Say for example, molecule hydrogen, we have got 1 bond, so bond order will be 1. Oxygen double bond, so number of said electron pair is 2. Okay, so the bond order will be 2. Similarly, in nitrogen we have got triple bond, so number of said electron pair is 3, so bond order will be 3. So, and similarly carbon monoxide have got the 3. So bond order means the number of bonds present between the two atoms. Now today's assignment 11. Question number 1, define bond length, write its unit. Question number 2, what are bond dissociation energy and bond energy? Question number 3, define bond angle. Question number 4, write the bond angles in methane CH4. ammonia NH3 and water H2O. And finally, what is bond order? So complete this assignment and send it in my